A step-by-step guide to producing and offering NFT art. This guide outlines the process of creating NFT art and how to sell it. 1. Determine your medium. NFT art can be created in different forms such as digital illustrations, paintings, sculptures, photos, music, etc. Pick the medium that you feel most comfortable with, enjoy doing, and is likely to attract buyers. 2. Acquire the required tools. The tools you need will depend on the medium you choose. For instance, if you opt for digital art, you'll need software like Adobe Photoshop or Procreate. If you go for a physical piece, you'll need the materials for making it. 3. Craft your artwork. This is where you'll bring your creation to life. Take your time and put in effort to make something unique and visually appealing. 4. Transform your artwork into a digital file. If you've made a physical piece, you need to scan it or take a high-quality photo of it. Ensure the image is of good quality, with proper lighting and sharp focus. If you made a digital piece, you're ready for the next step. 5. Mint the NFT. To make your artwork a unique NFT, you must mint it. Minting creates a digital certificate of authenticity that verifies ownership of your artwork. This is usually done on a blockchain platform like Ethereum, where a unique cryptographic token is generated and stored on the blockchain. You'll need a MetaMask account for this. 6. Select a marketplace. You can sell your NFT art on various NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Foundation, Super Rare, Rarible, Nifty Gateway, etc. Research each platform to determine which one best fits your artwork and target audience. 7. List your NFT. After choosing a marketplace, you need to list your NFT for sale. This involves uploading your artwork, providing information about it, setting a price, and writing a description. Make your listing professional and well presented to attract buyers. 8. Market your NFT. To boost the chances of selling your NFT, you need to market it to your audience and the NFT community. Share your NFT on social media, engage in online forums and communities, and reach out to potential buyers. Use SEO to improve visibility and increase your listing search ranking. By following these steps, you should be able to create and sell NFT art with success. Keep in mind that building a following and success in the NFT art world takes time and patience. Good luck.